In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to AOL Mail. By the end, you'll be confidently getting into your inbox using a simple, reliable process with a few helpful tips to keep things secure and smooth. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Any modern, up-to-date browser will work well. In the search bar, type AOL Mail. You can also go directly to the official site if you know it, but searching is perfectly fine. Before you click anything, glance at the address bar when you arrive to make sure you're on a secure page with a padlock icon, which indicates an encrypted connection. From the search results, click the first official AOL Mail link. Look for the AOL.com domain so you know you're going to the real site. Be mindful of ads or sponsored results that might look similar. Always double-check the URL to avoid phishing pages. Once the AOL page loads, head to the upper right corner and click the Login or Join option. If you're already signed in on this browser, you might be taken directly to your inbox. Otherwise, you'll see the sign-in form. Enter your username, email address, or mobile number associated with your account. It doesn't matter which of these you use, as long as it's the one linked to your AOL account. Take a second to confirm spelling, avoid extra spaces, and use the Use Another Account option if you see a different profile pre-filled that isn't yours. When you're ready, click Next. Now type your password. Passwords are case-sensitive, so make sure Caps Lock isn't turned on by accident. If there's a small eye icon, you can briefly reveal the password to check for typos, especially on a small keyboard. If you use a password manager, let it fill this field to reduce errors. If you can't remember your password, use the recovery option on the page, then return here to sign in once you've reset it. Click the final sign-in button to open your inbox. Depending on your account settings, you may be asked to verify with a code. Simply follow the on-screen steps and continue. If you see a Stay Signed In option, choose it only on devices you trust. Skip it on shared or public computers for your privacy. You should now be in your inbox, able to read messages, compose new emails, and manage folders. For faster access next time, consider bookmarking the page. That's the complete process. Search for AOL Mail, open the official site, select Login or Join, enter your username or email or mobile, type your password, and click Sign In to access your inbox. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.